Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today we practice days of the week and the verb to be with we, you, and they through writing.
Great. I want to write better sentences.
First activity, listen and write. You listen to a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity, make a sentence. You use keywords to write your own simple sentences.
I am ready to practice writing.
Perfect. Let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
I will listen carefully and write.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text. First, listen to the complete text for a first idea. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words and sentences you hear. Step 3. Check and correct. Compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes. Keep your notebook ready.
My notebook is ready.
Good. Now listen to the dictation. It is Monday morning. We are in English class. You are here with your notebook. Emma and Tom are in class too. They are not late today. On Friday, we are happy because tomorrow is Saturday. On Saturday, they are at home and we are at the park. Now I will read slowly, little by little. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let us begin the dictation. It is Monday morning. We are in English class. You are here. With your notebook. Emma and Tom. Are in class too. They are not late today. On Friday. We are happy. Because tomorrow is Saturday. On Saturday. They are at home. And we are at the park. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how did it go?
It was good, but I want to check my words.
Now, compare your writing with the original text and correct any mistakes. Make a sentence. Now, we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use are with we, you, or they when it fits.
I can make simple sentences with the days.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise so you have a model. Second, make your sentences. You create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Nexo, are you ready to show an example?
Yes, I am ready. Monday. On Monday, we are in class. Tuesday. On Tuesday, they are at school. Wednesday. On Wednesday, you are very busy. Thursday. On Thursday, we are not late. Friday. On Friday, they are happy. Saturday. On Saturday, we are at home.
Excellent work, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the SIP sentences. Good job. Good job. You finished this writing lesson well. You practiced days of the week and plural sentences with are. See you in the next lesson.